So this time now, this one has a cut. This is a washing machine metaphor. This is a washing machine. I see this is semi-automatic washing machine, and so this outlet drain has a cut here. So we're going to see how to fix it. So because I'm going to reverse it, how to open this first, so to avoid any cutting of this hose. This is inlet water. Yeah, this is inlet water. So remove this one, this inlet, and leave it down. So this is a drain. It has a cut. So now to replace it, we need to move it here because it's now useless. It's now useless. So need to take it out this way. It's now useless. You cannot repair it. I think you have to make sure. So you open it from here. Open it from here. So we want to see how to remove this one, and then we reach down where the drain attached. So this is inside. We just want to remove this drain. We replace it because it is not broken. You don't need to use it anymore. So I have to open all these things to access the drain safely in my air. So this is what I'm doing. Man, I like this work. I like technical work. They open your mind. Like you will learn every day. We don't learn all of this from school. There's something we learn from school, but others we learn from the experience. Right? Get it? So this everything we do here, most of them we learn them from experience. So we have to have experience every time. So yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. That's what it is. So we're gonna see how to remove this thing, then we'll place it because there's no any other way. Yeah. So because this one is attached, it has a glue from the factory, so I have to remove it carefully. So it's now out. So we're going to find a replacement, and yeah, then we add some glue. This is the head. It's the head of it. The engine of the washing machine. Yeah, you see, it has two dynamos, and the one for draining and another one for washing. So guys, this is what we do. I like your work, I like your job. So now I'm going down to look for the drain to replace the heck. Then shall I catch up here?